Welcome to Mirchi Bits channel. It's an educational journey.
Have you ever wondered why pouring water on fire instantly kills it? The answer lies in the science of heat, oxygen, and energy. Fire can only exist when three things come together: heat, fuel, and oxygen. This is called the fire triangle. When water hits fire, the first thing it does is absorb heat. Water removes the heat energy needed for the fire to survive. When water touches something extremely hot, it rapidly turns into steam. This expansion pushes oxygen away from the flame. Without oxygen, fire cannot continue burning. The steam created by water blocks oxygen from feeding the flames. So water kills fire in two powerful ways. It removes heat and blocks oxygen. But be careful. Water should never be used on oil fires. It can cause a dangerous fire explosion. That's why water is one of the most powerful tools to stop fire when used the right way.
Thank you for watching. Please keep supporting us. For more educational videos, please visit our Mirchi Bits channel.